السلام علیکم ویورز. میں اس وقت پاکستان اسپورٹ بورڈ کے اندر موجود ہوں اور یہاں سے بہت ہی اچھا کورس کنڈکٹ کرایا گیا ہے. ایتھلیٹک فٹنس گرومنگ اینڈ کمپٹنس کنسولیڈیشن کورس. یہ 21 سے آن رہا ہے. آج اس کا اختتام پذیر بھی ہے. تو ہمارے ساتھ اس کورس کے روح نماد ہے لیفٹیننٹ کرنل شبیر انجم صاحب موجود ہیں اور اس کورس کے کچھ ہم ان سے مقاصد بھی جانتے ہیں اور خاص طور پر جو پورے پاکستان سے مختلف ڈپارٹمنٹ سے لوگ آئے, آرمی پاکستان آرمی سے, پاکستان نیوی سے اور دوسرے جو ہمارے گورنمنٹ کے ادارے تھے ان سے جو ہے نا کوچز, ٹرینرز, اسپورٹ کے جو ہے نا لیکچرار یہاں سے انہوں نے اس کورس سے مستفید ہوئے ہیں. جی کرنل صاحب بتائیے اس کورس کا مقصد کیا ہے اور اس کی آنے والے وقت میں کیا اہمیت ہے, اس کے بارے میں ہمارے سننے والوں کو بتا دیجیے. جی کرنل صاحب.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. First of all, being organizing secretary of the course, I would just say once we started this course in July and August, the name of the course was just track and field. But once our president of the Sports Control Board, Rear Admiral Moazzam Ilyas, he met Minister of Sports, Dr. Hamida Mirza. Both the stakeholders decided to extend this course up to the provinces so that after COVID-19 situation was such that nobody was coming in the ground for training and no coach was ready to come in the ground. So the idea behind this was that we should include more professionals like we called nutritionist Dr. Sahar Chawla. Then we also included in the course curriculum the doping and anti-doping education. Then we also included two sports psychologists, female from Pakistan. One is Dr. Umm Ayman from CMH Rawalpindi and one lady we included from Pakistan Sports Board as sports psychologist. So the horizon of the course was improved overall and the duration at the same time it was also extended up to 6 days. So the goal which we set initially for the course, being organizing secretary, if I see today, and I think we qualify all those things. You must get the feedback of the participant as well, and they will be telling you that how much they have groomed and they have improved their competency level.
Do you think this course for really benefit for the coaches, elite coaches, and especially athletic athletes?
As I already mentioned, this course was not now for track and field only. You see, we have here hockey coaches, judo coaches, and the martial art coaches. Because most of the emphasis on the course was given to the fitness. We called 2 fitness experts from Islamabad. They were also renowned professionals of their field. So it was a general fitness conditioning course. Of course, we touched upon track and field as well. As we already mentioned, that Athletics Federation of Pakistan, they provided 3 World Athletics lectures. So 30 to 40% curriculum of the course, it was related to track and field, and more than 60% curriculum, it was general fitness conditioning, which I think every coach, it is the main requirement of all the coaches and trainers of Pakistan, that they should teach, they should give education to their students on a modern and scientific lines.
Do you think this course, maybe in the future we want to see this type of course conducting all department of government level academic side also?
You yourself were a witness today that all the participants, they were gone through a perfect and systematic evaluation, and we see the results of the evaluation of the participants. They all were willing that this type of course must be extended to all the provinces, so that they all have come from 4 flying areas of Balochistan. We have participants from Sindh. We have participants from even Gilgit-Baltistan. So they all wanted that this type of course must be organized and conducted even in their provinces and in their mother language, so that they should understand it betterly and they should be able to convey the real and scientific teaching to the modern sports students.
Thank you, Mr. Shabir Anjam.
Thank you so much.
Gave the highlight of this course and all over the world, and especially Pakistani youth and elite coaches and elite athletes especially. It's a very great privilege, this course, and a lot of games of this course. And we expect in future all departments, especially Pakistan Sport Board, like this course. Thank you once again. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.